Hello and welcome to my beginner's morning yoga routine. If you enjoy this yoga video, I would recommend watching it every morning or as often as you can to become more familiar with it. Please remember, the more you practice this yoga routine, the more confident you'll feel following the video and the easier and more natural it'll become. Always listen to your own body and listen to any limitations you may have, leaving out anything that you may find difficult. You may also like to check out my other YouTube videos, which you'll find by subscribing to my YouTube channel, Sarah Lane Therapies. Please watch the video all the way through before following on your yoga mat to check it as a suitable level for you and that you know what to expect when you're ready to practice. When you're ready now, find a comfortable sitting position. You may prefer to sit on a block or a pillow if you're not used to sitting on the floor. You do not have to copy me in this position, but find something that feels right for you. And then when you're ready, take 3 slow breaths in your own time. Try and expand the lungs in all directions and tell yourself to mentally relax. So relax the shoulders, relax the back, really fill the whole of the body up with oxygen and energy, and bring yourself into the present moment. And we'll start to warm up the body now. So as you, on your next breath in, or lift the head, lifting the chin and looking towards the ceiling, but really listen to your neck and work with your limitations today. On your exhale, lower your chin to your chest, gently stretching the back of the neck. Inhale once more, lifting the head, looking up, and exhale very gently lower. Now I'll inhale, bring the head into the center. Now I'll exhale, take the head over to the right. Inhale into the center and exhale all the way over to the left. Now inhale the head into the center, or bring the arms by the side of the body as you exhale. And inhale, raise the arms up overhead. Exhale, lower the hands onto the floor. Inhale, the spine nice and tall, and exhale, trying to lower down but really lengthening the spine. And then tuck under the chin and relax the head. Just pause for a moment. It's not important how deep that you go today. To come out of this posture, tuck under the chin. Inhale, come all the way back up. And we'll change the legs over, just so you have the other leg in front. Next breath in, once more, we'll raise the arms up overhead. Now I'll exhale, lower the left hand to the floor, and we'll stretch over to the left. Inhale, coming into the center, raising both arms, and exhale to the other side. Inhale, come to the center, raising both arms, and exhale back over to the left. Inhale into the center, raising both arms, and exhale over to the right. Inhale into the center, raising both arms, and exhale. Last time on the left, we're going to hold this position. Try and twist the torso very subtly to look up towards the ceiling, just pausing, keep breathing. As you inhale, now coming to the center, and we'll exhale, come over to the right, and again we'll pause here, really opening the left side of the torso. Nice slow breaths. Next breath in now, come all the way to the center. We'll exhale, lower the hands onto the floor in front of you, round the back, tucking under the chin, just pausing here, stretching the body. So it isn't important how deeply you go into any posture. Just really listen to your own body and whatever feels comfortable for you today, remembering each day is different. To come out of this posture now, I'll inhale, gently round the back, slowly come all the way up, tucking under the chin, raising the arms up. And we'll exhale now, lower the left hand onto the right knee and the right hand behind the back into a spinal twist. Pause. We'll inhale, coming to the center, raising both arms. And we'll exhale now, lower the right hand onto the left knee and the other hand on the floor behind the back. Keep breathing. Inhale, when you're ready, come to the center, raise both arms. Exhale, lower the hands down. We'll uncross the legs. Straighten out the legs and just walk out the legs for a moment, relaxing the legs, and then find yourself in table position when you're ready. So just a reminder, in table position we have the shoulders above the wrists and the hips above the knees, gently gazing at the mat to relax the back of the neck. Just pausing here just for a moment, taking your time. As you inhale, we'll lower the abdomen looking up, and as you exhale, round the back and tuck under the chin in cat posture. Inhale, lower the abdomen looking up, and exhale, gently round. Last time, inhale, lower the abdomen looking up, and exhale, gently round. Then inhale, now go into a neutral position, and we'll exhale, walk the hands one space forward and gently lower all the way down to the mat to prepare to come into a cobra position. So we can bring the hands either side of the chest, palms facing down. On your next breath in, just pushing up very low into a low cobra, listening to your back however feels comfortable, and on your exhale, gently lower. We'll do this 3 times. Inhale again, lifting up, and exhale, gently lower. Last time, inhale, lifting up, and exhale, gently lower. I'll bring the hands by the side of the body, and we'll do the same, but using now the strength in the back to lift up the body. So inhale, lifting low, exhale, gently lower. Inhale again, lifting up, and exhale, gently lower. Last time, inhale, lifting up, and exhale, gently lower. Just pausing here just for a moment, and then when you're ready, we'll bring the hands by the side of the chest, push up, and we'll come into child's posture. So untucking the toes, bring the hips towards the heels, and rest the forehead towards the mat wherever feels comfortable. So in any point in the class today, if you need to rest, you can come into this position. On your next breath in, we'll come back into table. When you're ready, and we'll exhale, round the back in cat. Inhale, lower the abdomen, looking towards the ceiling in cow. And we'll exhale, walk the hands one space forward, tuck under the toes, and push the hips up and back into a downward facing dog. So we can walk out the legs, bending one leg and the other, just to warm up the legs, relax the body, and then we'll pause just for a moment. We'll take a deep breath in. As you exhale, we'll come into plank, bringing the shoulders above the wrists, and then we'll exhale, bend the knees, lower the knees gently onto the mat, and we'll come back into child's posture. So we'll do this routine a few times. So inhale when you're ready, coming back into table, and we'll exhale into cat. Inhale, lower the abdomen, look up towards the ceiling, and we'll exhale, walk the hands forward and come up into downward facing dog. Inhale when you're ready, lowering into plank, and exhale, bend the knees and come back into child. Just pausing here, nice slow breaths. We'll just do one more time. So when you're ready, inhale, coming to table, and exhale, round the back in cat. Inhale, lower the abdomen, look up towards the ceiling in cow, and exhale into downward facing dog. Inhale, lower the hips into plank, and we'll exhale all the way to the ground, this time untucking the toes. Inhale to a cobra, and exhale back onto the knees, and we'll come back into child's posture, and we'll just pause here. Nice slow breathing. So you can either practice this whole routine again, or you can finish here. If you'd like to finish here, I'd like to thank you for watching this video. Please remember to really listen to your body, and the more you practice anything, the easier and more natural it will become. If you've enjoyed this video, please click like below, and if you'd like to write a comment, I'd like to hear from you if you'd like to see any videos or any demonstrations, and I'll try and make a video as soon as I can. Thank you very much. Bye bye.